Welcome to Stories from the NNI. I'm Lisa Friedersdorf, Director of the National Nanotechnology Coordination Office. In this snippet from an earlier conversation, Paula Hammond, the David H. Koch Professor in Engineering and Head of the Department of Chemical Engineering at MIT, discusses the importance of interdisciplinarity in her research.
The reason that we were able to design new material systems for a given application is because we were able to work with colleagues at these interfaces. And without an understanding within my own lab of not only chemical engineering and polymer science, but also biology and some idea of the clinical pathways that we're trying to address, we wouldn't be able to move forward. So interdisciplinarity has been incredibly important. We talk about this concept of convergence, in which we bring the biomedical sciences together, in which we bring engineers into the scene so that we can actually use the kinds of tools that we have known and understood for years, but apply them to very real problems in medicine. And here, the interdisciplinarity is incredibly important. For example, when we design a nanoparticle, we're using the layers to incorporate siRNA that's going to silence a specific gene in a cancer cell. The only way that we can do this effectively is to first understand that there is a specific target that's going to be of interest for a given cancer type. And this we get from working with and understanding the systems biology of cancer cells. And so we have a great collaborator who's a systems biologist. But in working with that systems biologist, my own students and postdocs become aware of and much more engaged in the biology of the problem. On the other hand, we also need to understand what the best mode of administration is for a given kind of drug, and whether or not the timing of that administration is critical for patient care. And we've worked directly with oncologists to address this. In the area of glioblastoma, for example, being able to understand the mode of administration, but also some of the limiting factors in treatment, allow us to think about how we might be able to design a nanoparticle that will very effectively target only the glioma cells, particularly in pediatric brain tumors, in which we have developing brain cells of children that we do not want to impact in such treatment.